Today I will introduce the new product Flexible Mini Wall Washer Strip. It uses 35-degree building length design to help increase the illumination value. Compared with the ordinary SMD 120-degree lighting angle, the mini wall washer is more concentrated, longer irradiation distance, and higher CD value. One of the biggest features is that we optimize the structure design and improve the optical efficiency. Two-color luminous region is transparent. Non-luminous area are opalescent. For luminous area silica gel extraction, we use flame retardant and anti-UV materials. We have white light, tunable light, and DMX white version, IP20 and IP65 waterproof. We have connectors if you need, so they can use indoor and outdoor, easy to install. Also, it can use with aluminum profile. Let me know in comment if you have any questions. Bye!